Take a deep breath and listen carefully. If your child stays quiet when you ask questions, if they say, "I don't know," again and again, if you feel other kids speak better, faster, smarter, please hear this first. Your child is not weak. Your child is not slow, and your child is not lacking intelligence. Most children don't lack intelligence. They lack space. Space to think, space to feel safe, space to answer without fear. Intelligence does not grow under pressure, it grows under connection. Today, I will share 3 simple steps that parents around the world use to raise children who think deeply, speak confidently, and answer without fear. No pressure, no comparison, no shouting, just daily habits. Let's begin. 1. Talk with your child, not at them. Most parents talk all day. Eat this, sit there, hurry up, don't do that. This is talking at a child. But intelligent children grow when parents talk with them. Talking with a child means you invite their thoughts. Instead of asking questions that end conversation, ask questions that open thinking. Not, "Did you like school?" but, "What was interesting at school today?" Not, "Why did you do this?" but, "What were you thinking when this happened?" These questions do one powerful thing. They turn your child's brain on. Now, something very important. When you ask a question, wait. Do not rush. Do not answer for them. Silence is not disobedience. Silence is thinking. Many parents interrupt children because silence feels uncomfortable, but intelligence needs silence. Even if your child answers slowly, even if the answer is not perfect, let them finish. A wrong answer today creates a confident thinker tomorrow. Daily 5-minute practice. Every day, just 5 minutes. Sit beside your child. No phone, no correction. Ask one question. What made you happy today? What made you upset today? What do you think about this? Just listen. When children feel heard, they start speaking more, and when they speak more, their intelligence grows. 2. Let children think through play. Here is a truth many parents miss. Pressure creates memorization. Play creates intelligence. Children learn best when learning feels safe. When a child plays, their brain is making decisions, predicting outcomes, solving problems, imagining possibilities. That is intelligence in action. You don't need expensive toys. Daily life is enough. In the kitchen, what do you think will happen if we add more water? On a walk, why do you think trees grow taller than houses? Before sleep, what would you do if tomorrow you were the teacher? There is no right answer. There is only thinking, and thinking builds intelligence. Let them struggle. This is hard but powerful. When your child is trying to solve something, do not rush to help. Say, "Try one more time. What else can you try?" Struggle is not failure. Struggle is brain growth. Children who are always rescued stop trusting their own thinking. Let your child try. Let them fail safely. Let them think. 3. Praise effort, not just results. This step changes everything. Many parents say, "You are so smart. You are very intelligent." It sounds positive, but it creates fear. Fear of mistakes. When children believe they must always be smart, they stop trying new things because mistakes feel dangerous. Instead, praise effort. Not, "You are the best," but, "I love how you tried again." Not, "You're very clever," but, "You didn't give up." This teaches a powerful lesson. Trying matters more than winning. Thinking matters more than being perfect. Make mistakes safe. If a child answers wrong and hears, "No, that's wrong," they may stop answering forever. Instead say, "That's an interesting thought. Let's think again together." When mistakes feel safe, intelligence grows fast. Let me say this gently. Every child is intelligent, but intelligence blooms only where a child feels safe. Safe to speak, safe to try, safe to be wrong. If you talk with your child, let them think through play, praise effort, not perfection, you will raise a child who thinks clearly, speaks confidently, answers without fear. You are not just raising a child, you are shaping a mind that will face the world one day. And the words you speak today become the voice inside their head tomorrow. Smart kids are not born, they are raised with patience, presence, and love.